if you want to work around with login and security options inside of Evernote, then you can go around and click on the gear icon to access the settings. And then to access login and security, you can click on login and security and click on go to your profile to access the login and security page over here on the web. So once this is done, you can see that it opens up the security summary page right here. And here you can change out the email address associated with this particular account by entering out your account password and by entering out an email right here. You can also go around and change out your password by entering out the current password and by choosing new password twice right here, and you can update it as well. Another thing that you can do is you can enable something called two-step verification, meaning what happens is that you have to approve your login from 2 devices before you can log in into your Evernote for extra amount of security. So to do that, you can click on enable right here just like this, and it says two-step verification. So once you continue right here, it says with your two-step verification, you can verify using text message or an authenticator app. So I'm just going to go around and click on continue right here, and it says send verification email. Once you go around and click, what happens is that a verification email is sent to the account associated with this. And once the email is received, you see something like this which says confirm email address right here. And once that is clicked on, what happens is that the page where the confirmation is opens up, and then it allows you to confirm your particular account right here. Once that is done, you can go around over here and you can see that enter your mobile number is an option. So you can enter your mobile number right here and click on continue to get a verification code. And then you can enter that verification code to enable two-step verification, so that whenever you log in from a new device, what happens is that a verification code is sent to your mobile number, ensuring that it is you. And that is how you can work around with the login and security options inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.